Okay, so this question is very important because it has asked in the university exam. So whereby we have to convert this NFA into corresponding DFA. So now as per the first step, we have to draw the transition table for this one. So instead of AB like in the previous examples, now we have input symbols 0 and 1 and three states are there, two input symbols are there. So let's start the conversion. So first step is we have to draw the transition table. This is the initial state Q0 and as per the given diagram Q2 is the final states. So now you can observe with input symbol 0 Q0 remains at the Q0. So you can write there. With input symbol 1 Q0 able to move towards Q1 as well as Q2. So two states are there with respect to only one input symbol 1. Q1 you can observe with respect to 0 it can remains at the same as well as move towards the Q2. So Q1 comma Q2. Q2 which is the final state you can observe with input symbol, sorry we have to fill this also. So Q1 with respect to 1 moving towards Q2. Now come to Q2 which is the final state. So Q2 with respect to 0 moving towards Q0 as well as moving towards Q1. So Q0 and Q1. Q2 with respect to 1 moving towards Q1. So you can write here Q1. So this is the transition table which is the first step. So you can write here step number 1. That is we have to draw the transition table for the given question. Now we have to convert this transition table into table required for DFA. So here only the what is required, only the first state. Don't write the corresponding states for DFA table. We need only the first initial state from the table of NFA and then we can continue for the table of DFA. Now you can observe from the first row Q0 with respect to 0 goes to Q0 but Q0 with respect to 1 goes to two states. Now this is the basic identification and difference between the table of DFA and table of NFA. So we are not taking two states, actually we are combining these two states into only a new state and name is Q1 Q2. Now as per the given or as per the arising state, this is a new state, so we have to mention that new state on the left hand side and delta comes here because this is the transition table. We call this table transition table, so delta indicate that symbol. So with respect to Q1 Q2 you can observe Q1 with respect to 0 Q1 Q2 and Q2 with respect to 0 Q0 Q1. So three states are arising as one state, so we are writing this one in this style. So Q0 because Q1 with respect to 0 responds to Q1 Q2, Q2 with respect to 0 responds to Q1 Q0 Q1, that's why 3 are coming here. Similarly Q1 with respect to 1 goes to Q2 and Q2 with respect to 1 goes to Q1. So we are writing the same state, that is Q1 Q2 Q1 Q2. Now new state here is Q0 Q1 Q2. You can observe with respect to 0 we are getting Q0 Q1 and with respect to Q1 so we are getting Q0 Q1 Q2 the same state, and with respect to 1 you can observe we are getting Q1 and Q2 the, so this is the table for a DFA. Now we have to draw the diagram of DFA from this table. So remember, this is the step number 2. From the given diagram of NFA, we have to draw the table for that. That table have to be converted into table for DFA diagram. So step number 2. Now we are at step number 3, whereby we have to draw the diagram. So let's have initial state as Q1, and from the table you are able to see that Q0 with respect to 0 moves at the same, that is Q0. Q0 with respect to 1 moves towards another state, and that's name is Q1 Q2 with respect to 1. Now this state, new state Q1 Q2 with respect to 0 moves towards another state whose name is Q0 Q1 Q2 with respect to 0. Now with respect to 1, the Q1 Q2 with respect to 1 remains at the same. So that's why we are drawing a self loop here. Now the last state, that is Q0 Q1 Q2 with respect to 0 remains at the same. So that's why we are drawing a self loop here, but with respect to 1 it move back towards the state Q1 Q2. So this is the DFA corresponding to the given question, where we have multiple actions corresponding to only one input symbol. Here you can observe that this is the final state. Because why it is final state? As per the given question, Q2 is the final state, and every state that has Q2 will be the final states. It means we are getting two final states here in this diagram. This is the DFA. So not a problem. Here we have only one state, but in DFA we are getting two final states. Secondly, you can observe with respect to every symbol, state is responding to 0 as well as 1, state responding to 0 as well as 1, state responding to 0 as well as 1. But this not happened in NFA. So this is the basic question that has been asked in the university exams. So it's very important and interesting question, whereby we are able to convert a NFA into DFA. Thank you.